This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autosave mode on the Zed Editor. Let me jump over to Zed here. I have the Zed Editor opened up now. To enable or disable autosave mode, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Open Settings. Click on Open Settings. A little dialog box will open up. And in that dialog box, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go to the one that says Editor. Click on Editor. Then on the center pane, right up top here, Autosave Mode. It says When to Autosave Buffer Changes. As you can see, by default, mine is turned off. I'm going to click the drop-down. You can choose either after delay, on focus change, or on windows changed. I'm going to go with after delay. Now another little spot has opened up. It says delay in milliseconds. You can set the delay for the autosave right in here. And to disable autosave, you would just simply toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable autosave mode on the Zed Editor. Thanks for watching.